Is this really necessary? You already have my client's statement.
Yeah, about that statement. You were at the party until 3 a.m.?
Yes.
That's odd. Because we have this photo taken of you from a traffic camera that places you in the victim's car at 117.
And, as stated, they went out for cigarettes and they came back.
That's correct. We found that receipt. Larry's convenience store in Hawkesbury. It's 2 hours away. How'd you get back? Scotty beam you up?
Jeremy here was the last person to see the victim alive. So, where'd you go?
I took her home.
Why?
I didn't ask. She just insisted. She was upset.
You're lying.
My client will not sit here, detective, and be ridiculed and called a liar.
Look, you lied about not being with the victim. You lied about the party. It just makes me wonder what else you're lying about.
Look, I didn't lie. I did go back. I guess it was just later than I thought, okay?
Bullshit.
You're reaching, detective, and your tone and language are unacceptable. So if you're not going to charge my client with something now, we're leaving.
You were friends. Don't you want to help us find who killed her?
Don't answer that. Say nothing. We're done here.
Not saying anything just makes you look guilty, okay?
You know what? You know nothing about either of us. You keep calling her the victim. She has a name. She had ideas and plans for the future. We had plans. Like if I sat here and I told you that we sat in that car for hours singing to the radio until the sunrise, watching planes go by, hoping one would magically catch us, take us away from this place. Would it matter? We had plans to live a full life together, to leave this shit town filled with empty roads, to get away from you. You pretentious, judgmental people. And you know what? We didn't want anyone to know, because we didn't want to deal with the lectures and the judgments and the "we know what's best for you" speeches. Would that help your investigation? What we did, it doesn't matter. Because we did it for love. For us.
Oh, hey. Didn't think I'd find you here. Found my secret hiding place. How'd you find me?
I'm a detective, remember?
How can I forget? I'll have a Canadian. What's wrong? Why so gloomy?
I don't know. Guess I'm just getting tired of all this bullshit.
Getting?
These cases with the kids, it starts to get to you.
How so?
Well, victim's only 15. Prime suspect 17. It's not right. They have their whole lives to go yet. We have to take that away from them. It means 2 lives lost in this one case. Not to mention both families. You know what kind of people that kid's gonna meet on the inside? Even if they get out early, they're too late in having a chance. How are we the good guys here? How can we claim to be the good guys when we're causing as much pain as the people we're supposed to be stopping? I feel like we're just flailing around in the dark, trying to make ourselves feel better about things we can't feel better about.
You can't save everyone.
Most of the time, they don't come out as better people. They just come out angry That's on us. It's our fault. Because we put them there.
Look, I know why you transferred here. Our job's not easy anywhere. I heard about that kid in New York. You made a mistake. Mistakes happen.
It was the one case I was so sure about. Without a doubt. Young, angry kid. Into blue pills. Charged with possession, armed robbery 3 times. How much older than this kid today? Same shit. Good cop, bad cop. We got you on video an hour before the murder. Your ass is ours. Blah, blah, blah. Whole time he's swearing up and down he is innocent. I laughed. I remember. I laughed right in his face and said, I've been doing this long enough to know when you've been lying to me. It wasn't the facts that blinded me. It was my ego, my prejudice, my hatred, my dark, unshakable hatred of our streets. Three hours later, he was dead. Hung himself in a cell. Next day, they found new evidence. He's innocent.
That's not your fault, and you know it.
Did you see the look on that kid's face today? I swear to God, it was the same look.
It's not a perfect system. We just gotta do the best we can with what we got. And just hope, in the end, we do some good with it.
I've said the same thing to myself over and over again. More times than I can even count. I just can't make myself believe it anymore.